Y'all on my YouTube channel. Let me make sure y'all up the part. Look out. Hey, you need one too, miss. Yeah. I'm gonna be there, man. Orlando, man. Y'all gonna be there too, huh? Bet. I'm gonna be there. I'm coming this time. I'm gonna be there for the Super Bowl of the cars and the Super Bowl of the bikes.
Okay.
I'm gonna be there for both of them. Big truck squeezing. What's up with it, man? How you doing? Man, I just put it up, man. I got a new sales slogan for the drone. You buy, I fly.
Oh, shit.
I hope everybody like it. That's the new sales slogan. You buy, I fly. Oh, I'm going back home.
Oh, you ain't going to Holly Springs tomorrow?
They ain't tell me nothing about it. I might get a reflight or something. I don't know nothing about it. Where Holly Springs at? It's far from here?
Like 35, 40.
30 minutes. Oh, I might miss a flight. Come catch that. Yeah, I ain't know. I ain't go to trick or treat. I went somewhere else. Holly Springs. I might have to consider. Ain't nothing. Oh, is anything going on Sunday? I don't know, y'all. Anything going on Sunday? Oh, excuse me. Y'all surely are quiet today. Mike in here, y'all. What's up with it, Super Mike? Chat pretty quiet today, man. I must got a whole bunch of people that ain't. This a quarter-mile track, y'all. So they going all the way down to the end. For some of y'all that can't distinguish a quarter mile and an eighth mile, all you gotta do is, I got all these people that be smoking. All you gotta do is remember an eighth is small and a quarter is a little bit more than the eighth. There you go. That's how y'all can remember. So the quarter is two. That's what it's the same thing at the track. It ain't number 2/8. A quarter mile is just 2/8 of miles. 235. Okay. Thanks. Look out. That helps. Dang, I see a lot of people watch on your YouTube. Yeah. Oh, you see a lot of people you watch on YouTube here? Well, I'm glad I was able to help Kilroy 480. He must be smoking, y'all, because he said that helped him a lot. You hear me? He didn't know how to tell what was an eighth mile, quarter mile, but now he know. A quarter mile ain't number 2/8. 3.5. Got a little motorcycle. Appreciate that Team Thundercock with the 1 bit. I got it to where I can see it today, y'all. I need to see what's going on. Make a difference. I'm looking at this dude up here with this yeah, I ain't gonna even go that far. I'm looking at that dude up there with that iPad. That thing was shaking. I was like, dang. Let me holler at him right here. Look out, man. How you doing today? How you doing today?
Good, how you doing, bro?
I'm having a good time. What platform you on today?
I am on YouTube right now.
Oh, you on YouTube right now? Go on, let them know what your live is, where you at, what the
Easy to
name.
find me, New York in Your City Live podcast.
Okay, New York in Your City
New York
Live.
in Your City Live podcast. I have over 600 in, I think I'm at 90 something now. Podcasts only been doing almost 2 years.
Yeah.
Everybody on from Demonology Dunk Master to CO Larry.
Yeah.
To everybody.
Yeah.
The Pound himself, Papa Bubba's been on there. Man,
What?
definitely go check it out.
Okay. You ever been in Dallas, Texas?
All the time.
Okay. Next time you come to Dallas, Texas, hit me up. I'm finna start me a podcast. It'll be delightful to put you on there.
Okay, definitely. I
Yeah,
see
we
TK.
can get you on there. We can get you on there and let
Let's
you
do it.
express something. Put it out there one time for the one time.
Do it. I'm always in Dallas.
Oh, my boy said you had.
KC, so I'm half distance between everything.
Okay, some of my subscribers, they say you had Jay Malcolm on there too.
My boy Jay Malcolm, known him for years. We go
Yeah.
way back. Yep, had Jay Malcolm on there, man. The list goes on.
Yeah.
Doc, I'd had everybody on there at least 2 or 3 times.
Yeah, I need to get him. I need to get mine set up like your
Shout out to
sound.
whoever that is on the line that said that, that means they know. They've been watching.
That's Cam's Life 12, man. He got
Cam's
his.
Life 12, I know who that is.
Oh, okay. That's Cam Life 12. He in the building, y'all. He over there trying to promote, advertise, let everybody know ain't nothing wrong with it. Look out. He looking out. That's all he doing. One time for the one time.
When you're in the building.
Let me see
Stream
some.
on 18 platforms.
You stream on 18 of them?
22 by January 1st.
Okay.
I'll be on 22 platforms.
You can name 5 of them now? What I don't know that you on?
YouTube,
Okay.
Facebook Live.
Yeah.
Well, let me put it easier. Go to worldwidemedia.org and you'll see my podcast. When you click the link, you'll see all of them. I'm even streaming on Live TV UK, Ustream TV UK, Live TV US. I'm streaming in Greenland, Ireland, New Zealand, Australia, now Japan, now Hong Kong, and Singapore.
God damn. I thought I was doing something. I got up to 12 one time.
And stay tuned because in 2 weeks, I will be streaming live, but it's going to be probably late at night for them because they're a day and a half ahead.
Yeah.
All the people that were in Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift, all the extras will be on my podcast.
What?
Yes.
He finna be doing it up there, y'all. He getting it done. I thought I was doing something. I had like 12 platforms. I was on D Live in North Korea and all that. I thought I was doing something. I got off all of them though. I wasn't getting no viewers, and it seemed like something was working.
It took some time. Like it took for my boy Chris works for Livestream.
Yeah.
He showed him my podcast. He said, I know he hit me up. He said, they want to talk to you. And they put me on there.
Yeah.
And I'm also on Roku, and I'll be on Netflix 2022 something.
2022.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I'm featured in Motorcycle Magazine and featured on my podcast.
Man, they doing it up over there, ain't it? That's player. That's player.
Also, breaking news, stay tuned.